Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to stop the autoplay option on your feed. So if you are watching a video, if you are swiping for videos, some result, the videos will be automatically played on your feed. That means your home feed. So you can stop it to avoid over data usage. So how to avoid this and stop the videos playing on your feed? So by this option. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So if you are searching anything, the video will be auto-played on the YouTube. So this will generate loss of internet usage or more internet usage. You can stop it by go to this profile picture, click on the setting and go here. You can see the playback feed, and here you can see it will be in always. You can turn it off, or you can choose as Wi-Fi. Whenever Wi-Fi is on, you can play back. You can start the playback in feed. So these are the two options. I just off, so the video is remaining as a still, and it is not played. So this will gain us some of the internet data. So if you want to have a internet data, if you want to become a data saver for your YouTube, you try this option, stop playing on the feed. If you have more data, if you have Wi-Fi, just click on the always on or Wi-Fi only option. So by using this option, you can stop the play in feed on YouTube. So the video will not be played on your YouTube feed homepage. Try this option.
If you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends who are thinking about this option. And if you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.